Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Wayne Water Bug is not pumping water the way it should, suddenly stops working, or seems less effective than normal, it can quickly become irritating, especially when you are trying to remove standing water fast. Sometimes the Wayne Water Bug may turn on but fail to move water, while in other situations it may not start at all or shut off unexpectedly. These issues can happen because of blocked intake areas, hose connection problems, power interruptions, or positioning issues during operation. Since the Wayne water bug depends on smooth water flow and stable power to work correctly, even a small problem can affect performance. The big thing is that many common Wayne water bug issues can be fixed with a few simple checks instead of immediately replacing the unit. In this video, I will show you step by step Wayne water bug troubleshooting. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection of the Wayne water bug and make sure the Wayne water bug is plugged into a working outlet. Step 2. Inspect the hose attached to the vane water bug and confirm the vane water bug hose is not bent or blocked. Step 3. Clean the intake area of the vane water bug to help the vane water bug move water more effectively. Step 4. Place the vane water bug on a flat surface so the vane water bug can collect water properly. Step 5. Turn off the vane water bug briefly and restart the vane water bug to refresh the vane water bug operation. Step 6. Test the vane water bug again and confirm the vane water bug is pumping water normally.